Here it is in all of its glory. My first deck. I pressed this thing out of maple, put entirely too much concave in it, painted it, added these knockoff Yow trucks that I got off of eBay. I'm gonna try it out today. I'll put this wheel on inside out. That's funny. I have the Power for All to Snakes 69mm 75As on there. I haven't ridden this yet. Check it out. Take two. Tighten the front trucks up a little bit. They might not be rideable. What the hell is going on? Alright. Too much concave. Holy crap. I have them on backwards. Look at this stupidity. I put it on backwards. No wonder it won't work. Damn near broke my neck because I had the trucks on backwards like a fool. Fix these real quick. Should probably take these wrist guards off while I do this. I was like, man, something is wrong. Alright, let's try it again now with the trucks corrected. Maybe it'll... A little squirrely, but it's pretty nice. Well, it skates. It skates pretty cool. Now the trucks are on the right way for a homemade board. Let's try the real Yow. Feel the difference. Those are Yow Meraki knockoffs that I got off of eBay. These are real Yow Merakis. Check them out. These are much better. You know, the other ones work. The other ones are acceptable. You know, for knockoffs for 41 bucks is what I paid for those trucks, whereas opposed to this board was like 300. those will work. They're a little squirrely, but that could be that board I built. You know, the board's like a freaking canoe, it's so curved. I'll be curious to try those on my next board. It's not gonna have nearly as much concave. See if that makes it a little more stable.